Parsley has the ability to alkalize the entire body. It is anti-pathogenenic, which means that it helps to fight bacteria, fungus, parasites, and viruses. Parsley is high in iron, zinc, chromium, iodine, molybdenum, magnesium, and calcium. Dandelion greens help to remineralize the body and extinguish toxins from the liver, as they contain high amounts of vitamins E, C, A, and K, and adequate amounts of zinc, magnesium, calcium, and iron. Not only is ginger an incredible painkiller, but it also helps to eliminate fatigue, migraines, and heartburn from the body. Ginger helps the cells absorb iron throughout the body, promotes digestion and assimilation of nutrients. And here you can see me adding the parsley, dandelion greens, and ginger all to the same teapot. And then we'll turn it up and let it come to a boil. And after our tea begins to boil, we will reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And now, go ahead and pour your tea into your mug. Get that nice, beautiful, clear color. It doesn't get super dark with this one unless you heat it for a long time, but that's no problem. Let your tea cool and enjoy this nutrient-rich liquid infusion. Drink this 2 to 4 times per day to restore hemoglobin levels naturally, restore deficiencies, and remineralize the body completely. Happy living, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.